Hi everyone and welcome back to Yen's Kitchen. Today I'm excited to share a recipe that's really close to my heart. A simple, delicious and healing bitter gourd soup. Now, I know that some of you might be thinking, bitter gourd? Yes, but trust me, by the end of this video, you might just fall in love with the way I did when I was a child. So let's get started. Growing up in Malaysia, where it's hot all year round, this soup was something my mom used to make it for us at least once a week. Not only is cooling for the body, but it's also great for detoxifying, especially during hot and humid weather. As a kid, I loved it even with its slightly bitter taste. It just reminds me of home, family, and comfort. Recently, my daughter had a sore throat that wouldn't go away even after taking medicine. That's when I knew it was time to bring back these old favorites. I went out shopping, and the moment I saw this fresh, beautiful bitter gourd, I knew exactly what I want to cook. Now, here's the challenge. My husband and both my kids don't like bitter gourd, but I had a mission to make this soup in a way that would love. Here's the key ingredients: bitter gourd. Take 1 medium-sized bitter gourd. Choose light green one for milder bitterness. Then, slice the bitter gourd in half lengthwise and remove the inner white part and seeds. Add half tablespoon of salt and mix well. This helps absorb the bitterness. Set aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse twice with clean water to wash away the excess salt and bitterness. Slice 100 grams of pork belly. Cut silky tofu into cubes. Heat a wok with a little oil. Add a sliced pork belly and fry until the fat is rendered out. This oil will become the soup's flavor base, which is rich in umami and sweetness. If you don't eat the pork, you can substitute with the chicken. Toss in the sliced mushroom meatballs and fish ball, or you can add any steamboat ingredients at your preference. Stir fry until everything is lightly golden and fragrant. Add the prepped bitter gourd slices to the pot. Stir fry together for a few minutes. This helps to further reduce the bitterness. Pour in 1.5 liters of hot water. Let it simmer gently for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then, carefully transfer everything into Claypot. Simmer for another 2 minutes. This step gives a traditional earthy aroma to the soup. This is something very different from my family. I have to taste the soup. If the bitterness is gone or mild, then I'm on the right track. Add in the silky tofu and simmer for another 30 seconds. Slowly pour in the beaten eggs while stirring gently to create egg ribbons. Add goji berries and let them bloom in the soup. Turn the heat off and carefully transfer the Claypot to the tables. Garnish with chopped spring onions before serving for extra freshness. Here's the tips. Tips number 1. Don't add salt because the ingredients already bring a lot of natural flavor. Tips number 2. If your family is sensitive to bitterness, simmer the soup longer or soak the bitter gourd slices in salt water for a longer time before cooking. Tips number 3. If you use the pork belly, please do not skip this step because the pork belly oil adds a rich base to the soup. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more healing and heartwarming recipe from my kitchen. Let me know in the comments what dish do you love to cook at home. I would love to try it out and maybe even feature in an upcoming video.
This is a bitter gourd soup.
See you next time and happy cooking.
It's so good now.
This is so sweet. Like it? Try to eat the bitter gourd.
I like it when the bitter goes like with something else, like not when it's by itself.
You try and see. How is it? Well, I think you will finish the whole bowl
If
with
you
it.
put something with it together, it makes it taste better. Can I try one of the white fish cakes?
Later, we're going to have dinner. Oh, this is so good. For you.
Dibs on having it first.